Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Spread across a single floor, the French colonial home is nestled within a verdant garden. The interiors form a sophisticated series of spaces, rich in materiality and color. The homeowners were very open to using color as a theme, explains Melissa Erdang-Bodie, co-founder of Melissa & Miller. Not all clients are open to this, but these clients, luckily, were. The primary living room features strong, elegant shapes, exemplified by the oversized sectional sofa upholstered in lapis lazuli linen by Schumacher. A mix of distinctive pieces crafted by local female designers include Cuff Studios rope-wrapped pendants and a pair of sumo armchairs by Holly Hunt. A mustard yellow ottoman, also by Hunt, nods to the citrusy hues in the John McLean abstract on the adjacent wall. We wanted the house to reflect the creativity in both husband and wife, polished, well-traveled, yet not flashy, explains Erdang-Bodie. A custom bookshelf, designed in collaboration with East Otis Studio, frames the space and harmonizes the two sitting areas. This thread of color and texture extends into the kitchen, where hand-painted wallpaper by de Gournay creates a whimsical, light-filled atmosphere, very conducive to entertaining, says Erdang-Bodie. The bespoke cabinetry, finished in a mint hue, is beautifully complemented by handcrafted brass hardware from Hoffman Hardware. Surrounding the central island, stools by Thomas Hayes Studio provide a tactile counterpoint, fostering a sense of togetherness.